A man was fatally shot on Princess Street last night. Another alert issued for missing 15-year-old St. Catherine girl. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man said to be known as Romario was reportedly shot by unknown assailants sometime last night along Princess Street in Kingston. More details to come following further investigations. And another alert has been issued for 15-year-old Gabriel Brown of Spalding Boulevard, Central Village, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Thursday, July 18, 2024. She is of brown complexion and of a medium build. Last seen at home, she was dressed in a black dress. If anyone have any information that can help us find Gabriel, please call the Central Village Police Station at 876-984-2305, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.